Hello and welcome everyone. This is Hussam, and this is the first podcast that discusses networking devices. All but the most basic of networks require devices to provide connectivity and functionality. Understanding how these networking devices operate and identifying the functions they perform are essential skills for any network administrator. This podcast introduces commonly used networking devices. So let's start. At the bottom of the networking food chain, so to speak, are hubs. Hubs are used in networks that use twisted pair cabling to connect devices. Hubs can also be joined together to create larger network. Hubs are simple devices that directed data packets to all devices connected to the hub, regardless of whether the data package is destined for the device. This makes them inefficient devices and can create a performance bottleneck on busy networks. In other words, hub works somewhat like a telephone party line. Only one computer can talk at a time. Here is an example. The first computer prints to the laser printer, but the message is broadcast to all of the computers on the network. This causes more traffic and collisions over the network. Like hubs, switches are the connectivity points of an Ethernet network. Devices connect to switches via twisted pair cabling, one cable for each device. The difference between hubs and switches is in how the devices deal with the data that they receive. Whereas a hub forwards the data it receives to all of the ports on the device, a switch forwards it only to the port that connects to the destination device. In other words, switch works much more like our modern phone system. Computers can talk with each other on private connections, so multiple conversations can be carried on at the same time. Here is an example. The first computer and laser printer make a private connection during printing, while the fourth computer transfers a file to the fifth computer over another connection. This reduces traffic and collisions over the network.